Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about TransUnion Identity Protection. But before we get into the details, let's ask ourselves a question. What is identity theft, and why is it a problem? Identity theft is a crime in which someone steals your personal information, such as your name, social security number, or credit card number. They can then use this information to open new accounts in your name, make unauthorized purchases, or even take out loans. Identity theft is a serious problem that can have a devastating impact on your finances and your credit score. It can also be very stressful and emotionally damaging. So, what can you do to protect yourself from identity theft? One option is to sign up for an identity protection service, such as TransUnion Identity Protection. What is TransUnion Identity Protection? TransUnion Identity Protection is a service that helps you monitor your personal information and protect yourself from identity theft. It offers a number of features, including daily credit monitoring. TransUnion monitors your credit reports for suspicious activity, such as new accounts or inquiries. If they detect any suspicious activity, they will alert you immediately. Dark web monitoring. TransUnion also monitors the dark web, which is a hidden part of the internet where criminals often trade stolen personal information. If they find your information on the dark web, they will alert you immediately. Identity theft restoration. If you do become a victim of identity theft, TransUnion will help you restore your credit and clean up your name. $1 million identity theft insurance. TransUnion also offers up to $1 million in identity theft insurance to help you cover the costs of recovering from identity theft. How does TransUnion Identity Protection work? When you sign up for TransUnion Identity Protection, you will provide them with your personal information, such as your name, social security number, and date of birth. They will then use this information to create a profile of you. TransUnion will then monitor your credit reports and the dark web for any suspicious activity. If they detect any suspicious activity, they will alert you immediately. What are the benefits of using TransUnion Identity Protection? There are a number of benefits to using TransUnion Identity Protection, including peace of mind. Knowing that your personal information is being monitored can give you peace of mind. Early detection of identity theft. If TransUnion detects any suspicious activity, they will alert you immediately, which can help you prevent identity theft from happening. Identity theft restoration. If you do become a victim of identity theft, TransUnion will help you restore your credit and clean up your name. Financial protection. TransUnion offers up to $1 million in identity theft insurance to help you cover the costs of recovering from identity theft. Is TransUnion Identity Protection right for you? TransUnion Identity Protection is a great option for anyone who wants to protect their personal information and prevent identity theft. It is especially important for people who have been victims of identity theft in the past, or who have a lot of sensitive personal information, such as credit cards, bank accounts, and social security numbers. How much does TransUnion Identity Protection cost? The cost of TransUnion Identity Protection varies depending on the plan you choose. There are 3 plans available: Basic, Advanced, and Premium. The basic plan costs $14.99 per month. It includes daily credit monitoring, dark web monitoring, and identity theft restoration. The advanced plan costs $19.99 per month. It includes all of the features of the basic plan, plus $1 million in identity theft insurance. The premium plan costs $24.99 per month. It includes all of the features of the advanced plan, plus access to a dedicated fraud specialist. How can I sign up for TransUnion Identity Protection? You can sign up for TransUnion Identity Protection online or by calling 1-800-680-7289. TransUnion Identity Protection is a great way to protect yourself from identity theft. It offers a number of features, including daily credit monitoring, dark web monitoring, identity theft restoration, and financial protection. If you're concerned about identity theft, I highly recommend signing up for TransUnion Identity Protection. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped you learn more about TransUnion Identity Protection. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance and identity theft.